Hey everybody, this is the 7th video for meeting number 12. Now we're going to dig into the two types of division problems. So we're going to go through some exercises and try to help you see the difference in the two types of division, and then we'll unpack it a little bit. So go ahead and think about a story problem that goes with this equation. 24 divided by 6 equals something. So I'm going to invite you to go over to the Jamboard, and you're going to write your first division story problem for 24 divided by 6 here. Go ahead and pause the video, and then we'll come on back and talk about it. Okay, so you've written your first story problem on the Jamboard. We're going to watch two interpretations of this problem, and then I'm going to ask you to think about which example best matches your problem. Okay? There is no sound with this video. It's just the tap, tap, tap. So 24 divided by 6. You see she's setting out her 6 groups. And she has created 6 groups of 4 in response to the problem 24 divided by 6. Now let's look at the next one. Again, 24 divided by 6. And so she now has created 4 groups of 6 where she measured out 6 cubes in every group. So now I want you to go back to the Jamboard, and I want you to think about which strategy, the blue, where she passed out the cubes to the 6 groups, or the red, where she created groups of 6, matches the problem you wrote. I want you to think about it, and then I want you to write a different problem type on the second page of the Jamboard. So if you wrote a measurement division problem, which actually matches the red video, then write partitive division. If you wrote partitive division, then write measurement division. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at your first division story problem, and see what you wrote here, and then decide, does this match the partitive division where there were 24 cookies and 6 friends wanted to share them. How many cookies did each friend get? That is a partitive division story where you would have 4 in each group. If you wrote there are 24 cookies and we can fit 6 cookies in every box, how many boxes do we need? That would be a measurement division problem. So which one matched your first story problem? And then write the alternative one for your second division problem. And of course, you can go back and look at the chart to see the difference in the structure. All right, so is it measurement division or partitive division? You can go ahead and pause the video. Great. Now, lastly, what I thought would be nice for us to do is to take a look at the problems that you've written and create, if you did it on a Post-it, make the partitive division problems blue. So just change your Post-it color, partitive division. And sometimes we call that PDiv, in blue, and make your measurement division in red, in pink. Okay, so then we can start to see the different kinds of division problems, and we'll also start to get a little bit of a repertoire of those that we can use in our own practice. Okay, so that's all for this one. So this is a lot to digest, so you might want to go back and look at those videos one more time just to clear it in your head. And it takes a while to get used to it, but the most important thing is you need to give your kids exposure to both types of contexts. And the way that we shift the context for 24 divided by 6 is by writing story problems. So kids can interpret it. Am I looking for the number of groups or am I looking for the number of parts in each group? All right, we'll see you soon.